Day, as you came here by seeing our thumbnail, that how we have to transfer one Play Store account to another account. So we have to transfer our one app to another app from the console, Google console. That's all the process we are going through this videos, and all those things I want to show you here. So first of all, the thing is that I have to go this means we have to first log in into our console application, as I am managing to three applications. So I have to transfer from here to my account, and first I have to go this one, that is the Ranjit Kumar. Okay, once you open this application here, this is the main issues that why we are transferring our one account to another account, but because we got the final warning from Google that we our app is to be removed from Google Play from October 31, and verified developer account it is not going to process, and we have put it some mail, and they have suggested us that we should move from this place to another one. That's why we are going all those things. As here we have some two active uh, application where now we have around 406 installed audience, and another one is the 60 audience. So we have to transfer this one to the another part. That's why the first thing is that here you will get the left hand side menu where you have to move to the setting part. On the setting you have to go to the app transfer. In the app transfer, here you have to you transfer the request, whatever the request we are requesting, that will show here. If you have to are being requested to you means if we have received some request, then it will show to the second session, but we have to transfer from, so that we have to go to here. Like here, they are asking about your transaction ID. Transaction ID is the same as when we have order our Play Store console account we have taken. They are sending us the thank you message that you have purchased from us. That's why they are giving this one. And if you have not, if you have deleted your mail, also you can go to the uh, payment structure or payment method where the Google is providing. From there also you can take, but now I have this transaction ID, so I am just putting the let me see how it is working. PDS, they are given like PDS dot 618 5 plus 454581476240 okay. New developer account or the package name, new developer account, developer ID, or new account, transaction ID, new developer account. Okay. Oh, package name means I can get the package name from here, right? Where is that? Let me place those. So I can suggest you while you seeing this video, you can means go with the 1.5x speed, because we are doing very slow, so it will be make you bored and will waste your time. So better you can see in the 1.5 or 2 speed, 2x speed, so you can get the thing easily and it will save your time. A new developer is the same as the existing developer account. New developer account, here what is they are asking for package name. I have given the package name. The new developer account is the same as existing developer account with a different developer ID or a package name. So let's move to the developer ID here. We are not getting the new developer account is the same as the existing developer. I don't know why I'm getting, but still I let me search from here. Leave and discard. Okay, fine. We can search. This is the developer ID whose name is the ball. Is that my name? Personal developer account ID. Okay, this is the developer account ID. Okay. Again, we have to look. Let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. This will look the better if we have to. Okay, then move to the transfer. Transfer. Let me put developer package name. Okay. New developer account. Okay, transfer details. Okay, here means okay, fine. Got the idea. That means that when you have to transfer to the new account, you have to mention their new developer account ID, and I am doing the mistake and I am putting the my same ID. That's why I am facing here the problem. Let's move to the again and go to the console, and I have my new ID. Okay, this is my new ID where I want to transfer. Fine. Again, here is the developer account. Okay, developer account, associate developer account. Oh my god. User information, developer, where is the developer account? This is on the developer account. About you, public account details, viewer public account, manager developer account, about manager account. This one, here, something has changed. No issue. Here we have to copy, we have to paste. I think it will work out now. Yeah, fine. It's great. Now I have to enter this one. Your transaction ID. Transaction ID is PDS dot resulted. Okay. New account transaction ID. Well, from I will get this man. New account transaction ID. Okay, yeah, I have my transaction ID. I have to join apps under the commercial agreement, transferring of the part of business reorganization, the role of relation with organization, the role with still change, business relations, selected relationship, owned by the same legal entities, owned by the same parent company. The account is owned by the subsidiary. The account is owned by the subsidiary. None of the above. Okay, then what we have to again what we are missing was something is missing. Okay, got the solution means select one or app to transfer one or more app. Okay, at a time I can transfer one or two more apps. So here app to transfer means I have to add one transfer. Okay, then I have to transfer this two means dot com dot in and this one, right? These are the one is for technical person, another one is for the customer. Just to okay, let me pass apply. Okay, fine. It is transfer, review and transfer. Let's start. Review and transfer, agree by transferring to Ranjit Kumar Saw. Reason for issuing the page these apps earning to the calendar year with the new developer account. I acknowledge. What is that? Agree and transfer. Ye Bhagwan. Okay, here we are submitting. Let's see what's happened. Okay, I think they are taking much time because my net speed is little bit slow. Your transfer request, okay, pending. Ranjit, this is the payment profile owned by a app being transferred to you. Okay, now I have to check. Yeah, means both the account I have the access. This was my personal account. Previous one my client account, where I have to means I have requested. That's why I got this mail. And another one is the Apni Seva has requested you to transfer to your developer account. Then I have to go with this part. Review request. Then will open to my personal account. I think I have to hide some portion or some part for the security reasons. I don't know how, but I have to. Okay, app transfer setting, but I didn't get anything. Boss, yeah. App being transferred to you. Review request. Here I got something. Acknowledge and agree these instruction. All those things are for developer enroll in this 50% service. They are happening so okay. Also agree and transfer. But I got some mail. Let me check. You have accepted an app transfer from the 5 star. You have accepted the 5 star following as the pre-7 technician. We will send the inbox message when transfer is complete. These apps are available in your developer account. The app are available in your developer account. Apps are available in the developer account. Let's see. This is the my developer account. And what is the inbox I got? Okay, all your message. You have accepted the transfer from the request. The request for the transfer following out to the developer account. You will send the inbox message transfer to complete. And the app will be available in the. We will send the inbox message when the transfer is completed and the app are available in your developer account. And the apps are okay. View transfer from here. If this is all about, hope you have understood all those things and it will help to you. We transfer your apps from the one other account to your account So let's close this video. Meet you soon with different problems. Thank you.